Hello. The analytical community is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will look at each parameter in more detail. If you want, you can put a stop. You can study all the parameters of the corporation being researched in more detail. Now we will look at the current performance of the organization. Coca-Cola Co, ticker KO. This review is based on data as of June 17, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Coca-Cola Co belongs to the subcategory Beverages. 27 organizations take part in the comparison. This is quite representative. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: minus 0.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0.7 points. If you look broadly, within the entire US market in general, note that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 0.5 points for the company Coca-Cola Company. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Coca-Cola Co, and subcategory shares, we can see that over 12 months, the shares the Coca-Cola Company showed a dynamics of 12.1%. Against price changes in the subcategory 5.1%. Market capitalization of the company, the Coca-Cola Company, amounts to $303.49 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $746 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $25.82 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $125 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Share Coca-Cola Co in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 40.705%. The book value is 20.684%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has debts of $48.276 billion. Debt to book value is 187% of capital. The result for the company's debt level, bad, minus 1 point. The company's stock price to profit ratio is 28.1, with an average for the subcategory of 23.7. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $10,782 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $13,772 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 6.5. Average for the subcategory is 2.7. Evaluation of the stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $46,660 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $56.79 billion. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 23.1%, with an average of 11.2% in the subcategory. Sales profitability assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of personnel numbers in the subcategory is 6.815%, which is 497% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $4,355,000, while in the subcategory there are $729,000. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is $154,700, with an average in the subcategory, $30,800. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per individual employee is $670,000. Subcategory, $275,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 0.8%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.6%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 43% for the company, the Coca-Cola Company, whereas for the subcategory this level is 47%. The company's actual share price is around $70.53. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $79.56. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation information system this season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis, the Coca-Cola Company. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Do not open the deal, as this video is a review. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the help system. Guru.Markets.